science, as we know, mathematics is this universal language that explains the world around us. And science is how we interact with the world. It explains our interaction with not just modern life and how things run, the technological side, but also how we encounter each other.
The link between research and practice. Science communication, engineering communication, communication about medicine, technology are so important. These are parts of our everyday lives, and they touch us both at personal levels, global levels, and beyond.
Science could be kind of a foundation for solving a lot of the specific problems.
So it's really important for us to hear from science journalists from different parts of the world, because they may be on the front line of reporting on a problem that we are going to face. The things that connect science journalism, research, and communication are the people at the heart of each of these disciplines.
I think a good science communicator is someone who can take these complex topics in science, engineering, medicine, and help us understand them, and also make them personal, relate them to our lives so that we want to learn more.